How to get free Popmart Labubu shipping in Canada. In this video, I will guide you on how to get free Popmart Labubu shipping in Canada. Now, if you are a Popmart Canada member, then what you want to do is open up any web browser and search for Popmart. Now head over to popmart.com, log into your account. Now, if you place an order over 259 Canadian dollar, you will get free shipping. Free shipping is also available for Pop Now orders over 39 Canadian dollar in Canada. So as a member, you want to make sure that you purchase orders over 259 Canadian dollars and you can simply get free shipping on your Labubu. If you are not a member, you can look for special promotions and offers. Occasionally, Popmart runs promotions that include free shipping on specific items or collections. For instance, during certain events, they may offer products like $49 Christmas Lucky Bag with free shipping. So make sure that you stay updated. You can also subscribe to their newsletter to stay informed about upcoming promotions. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.